Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Just with Detail Diamonds, back with another one in this video right here. Let's discuss windows. Why don't we?
Okay, so just a brief video. Now with glass, you want to make sure that your glass is streak free. You want to try to use a good quality grade glass cleaner. My recommendation, I love this, I've been using this, and I've used a lot of glass cleaners. It's definitely Stoner's Invisible Glass. This glass cleaner definitely does the job. It leaves your windows streak free. Now sometimes you have to take other methods in order to make your windows streak free. Some examples we have is based on the severity of the grime on the windows, you might need a clay bar, which we have right here and we're going to use in our example. You could also use a magic eraser if you have a lot of smoke and things like that on the window as well. If you guys haven't already, make sure that you check out our clay bar video onto how to clay bar a vehicle. We're going to use that exact same clay bar to do the windows as well. So first step, we're going to clean the windows off. The second step, we're going to clay the windows using water and the clay bar. After that, we're going to wipe that clean with one rag. We're going to apply our Stoner's Invisible Glass to the glass. We're going to wipe it off, polish it in with one rag, and we have an additional rag, which will be our buffing rag. And we want to hit the windows in the four corners, moving our way to the inside and wiping until we see no streaks, until we see no type of residue on the glass. Using the clay bar will definitely help to remove some embedded contaminants that you have in your glass. And when you're doing glass, you also want to make sure that you put down the window so that you can get the top of the glass, which I like to clean first, and then after that you roll your window back up and you continue with the rest of your glass to get a streak free shine. So check it out, see what you think. You would repeat this process with the windshields as well. Only difference is with the windshield, you have other things that you can add, like you can ceramic coat the windshield after you give it a good clean. And you will also repeat this process on all the other glass and also the back glass as well. Just a quick overview. Windows are one of the hardest and most frustrating things for detailers to get. I personally think that windows are a make or miss with the detail, simply because you can have the rest of your car, spotless, but if you have stains and things on the windows that the customers can see, that right there can put a damper on that relationship. So make sure that you understand how to clean windows properly. What we do is we would clean it off. We would use clay. Based on the severity, you could use a magic eraser as well. We would clean it with one towel, get it clean. After that, we would apply our ammonia-free, streak-free glass cleaner, which you can use in the direct sunlight as well. Mop it up with your rag. follow up with a buff with another rag. So not to make this video too long, but that is the process of how you do windows. If you guys found value in this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for 100% detail and content, where we try to upload 3 to 4 times a week. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook. We are on Google as well. Bless you guys. Stay up. Till next time.
Daddy wants cars.